Question 1. Fish dash in water. A. Swim. B. Are swimming.
C. Swam.
Answer is A. Swim, simple present.
Question 2.
She dash tea now. A. Drinks. B. Is drinking.
C. Drank.
Answer is B. Is drinking, present continuous. Question 3. The bus dash at 8 a.m. every day. A. Arrives. B. Is arriving.
C. Arrived.
Answer is A. Arrives, simple present.
Question 4. They dash a house now.
A. Paint. B. Are painting. C. Painted. Answer is B. Are painting, present continuous. Question 5. It dash a lot in July. A. Rains. B. Is raining.
C. Rained.
Answer is A. Rains, simple present. Question 6. I dash my friend now. A. Call. B. Am calling. C. Called. Answer is B. Am calling, present continuous. Question 7. Lions dash meat.
A. Eat.
B. Are eating.
C. Ate.
Answer is eat, simple present. Question 8. We dash a game now. A. Play. B. Are playing. C. Played. Answer is B. Are playing, present continuous. Question 9. She dash early every day. A. Wakes up. B. Is waking up. C. Woke up. Answer is wakes up, simple present. Question 10. He dash dinner now. A. Cooks. B. Is cooking. C. Cooked. Answer is B. Is cooking, present continuous. Quick tip. Simple present equals habits and routines. Every day, usually. Present continuous equals happening now, right now, at the moment. Comment your score, like, and subscribe.